Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing your environment and creating the scaffolding for planning. Turn on iCloud Sync so events propagate across devices, then make 1 to 3 dedicated calendars, work, personal, projects for clear context. Once done, set default alert times and enable time zone support so meetings stay accurate. Next, choose a default calendar for quick entries. This reduces friction when adding events. These quick structural choices let you treat Apple Calendar as a lightweight planner rather than a messy inbox. Now you structure actual entries to become reliable planning signals. Use short, consistent titles and fill location and notes with checklists or links so you can act quickly. Make recurring events for routines, daily focus, weekly review, monthly planning, so habit is automated. Add invitees when teamwork matters, attach documents for reference, and layer multiple alerts for preparation and start reminders. By building rich events, you turn Calendar into a system that prompts action and preserves context, not just timestamps, and finish by making planning sustainable and resilient. Run a weekly review to shift tasks into calendar slots and prune obsolete events. This forces realistic planning. Use colors and smart lists to surface priorities and time blocks so you see capacity at a glance. Make short buffers between meetings to prevent overruns. If things break, like missing events, first toggle iCloud Sync and verify device dates and time zones, then sign out and sign in if needed. These steps keep Calendar reliable as your day-to-day planner.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.